Hello, hello, Coach Bell here. Day 11 na. Yes, day 11, the shortcut formula. And our topic focus is to turn your tip into a repeatable shortcut your reader can follow. Grabe! Lapit na natin sa finish line. And today, we're making your ebook content even more powerful and teachable. So kahapon, nag-share ka ng personal story at isang helpful tip. Ang ganda nun. Pero, paano kung mapapadali pa lalo ang buhay ng reader mo? Yun ang goal natin today, to turn your tip into a shortcut formula. Kasi ganito yan, let's be real. People love hacks. People love systems. And people love repeatable advice. Yung tipong kahit bagong salta pa lang sila sa topic mo, maiintindihan na nila agad. Remember nung nagsisimula kang magluto? Kapag sinabing mag-isa ka lang ng bawang at sibuyas, minsan sabog pa rin ang kalalabasan, di ba? Pero nung may nagsabi sa'yo na, sunod ka lang sa 3S rule. Saute, simmer, serve. Naku, parang aha moment na sa'yo yun, di ba? Mas madali nang sundan. So, ganun din dapat sa ebook mo. Give your readers something they can follow step by step. Kahit short lang, basta clear. And here are the 3 types of shortcut formula you can use. Number 1, acronym shortcut. Magandang option to kung gusto mong madaling tandaan ng reader mo. Halimbawa, yung acronym na DARE or DARE method for Facebook posting. D for define your message, A for add value, R for relate with the story, and E, engage with a CTA. Alright? And then number 2, you can use the 3-step process. Perfect ito kung gusto mong gawing parang mini roadmap ang tip mo. Example, get seen, get trusted, get clients. Tatlo kagad, di ba? And then number 3, use this repeatable advice or mantra. Kung may tip ka na simpleng one-liner pero sobrang impactful, and this is your format, right? So for example, don't polish, publish. Another one, teach what you just learned. Okay? So let's say ito yung kwento mo kahapon. And it goes like this. When I posted helpful tips in a FB group, I got my first inquiry even without a portfolio. And your tip was, don't wait for perfection, start helping where you are. Alright? So now let's turn that into a shortcut formula. And this time, gamitin natin yung acronym formula. Our acronym is TAP or TAP strategy. T for target a group, A for answer questions, and P, post your offer naturally. Ayun, may shortcut ka na, may sistema ka na, at galing sa sarili mong experience. And to refine your formula ideas, use these GPT prompts. First, based on this story and tip, help me create a 3-step formula my reader can follow. Next, suggest a simple acronym I can use based on this lesson, then insert your lesson. And then, write a short paragraph explaining this shortcut in a clear, beginner-friendly way. And make this tip repeatable and catchy for my ebook readers. Alright? So there you go. And the task for today, review your story plus tip from day 10. Create one shortcut formula per section. And then choose your format. It can be acronym, it can be the 3-step system, or it can be the repeatable mantra. And then, test it by asking yourself with these questions. Maiintindihan ba ito ng total beginner? Post it in your tracker. And please don't forget to transfer it in a Google Doc file, alright? So, ano pang hihintay mo? Let's go!